Welcome and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. The modern cash register can trace its origins back to 1879 when the Ritty brothers of Dayton, Ohio were granted U.S. Patent 221360 for their invention titled Improvement in Cash Register and Indicator. An improvement because this was their third attempt at creating a workable device. Constructed of wood, metal, and glass, the mechanical contraption had a single function: to track the value of cash sales. Ritty's incorruptible cashier, as it was called, bears little resemblance to modern point-of-sale (POS) systems. These modern marvels have evolved into complex, multifunction platforms capable of managing entire retail operations. As a result, they demand rigorous testing and validation to ensure security, reliability, and regulatory compliance. From a payments perspective, EMV Level 3 or L3 certification often takes center stage, verifying interoperability between cards and terminals. However, there's another critical layer, known as message testing, that's essential for ensuring full end-to-end system resilience. According to McKinsey's Global Payments Report, organizations investing in comprehensive payment modernization, including message validation, can reduce post-deployment transaction failures by over 30%. This statistic underscores the importance of moving beyond certification steps to secure, real-world reliability. In this blog, we'll explore how message testing differs from EMV L3 testing, why it demands a central role in POS system development, and how host-simulated environments are becoming the new standard for robust message validation. Message testing refers to validating the structure, transmission, and interpretation of communication packets exchanged between a POS device and its back-end systems, such as acquiring hosts and payment gateways. It ensures that a system can correctly handle a wide range of message types beyond just successful transactions. The ISO 8583 messaging standard and its many customized variants continue to underpin global payment systems. Validating that each field within these messages is accurately formatted and processed is necessary to ensure that every payment transaction can be routed correctly and completed successfully. Key message types include authorization requests and responses, reversals and advice messages, settlement and batch uploads, administrative messages, network-specific or proprietary messages. A single POS deployment may need to support hundreds of scenarios, including partial approvals, timeouts, retries, and different merchant configurations, each adding complexity to transaction flows. EMV L3 certification verifies that a POS device or terminal meets operational and transaction-level requirements in card-present environments. However, it narrowly focuses on card-to-terminal interactions, including authentication and user prompts. Message testing expands the validation scope by verifying field-level accuracy, managing retries, delays, and duplicates, and ensuring compatibility with acquirers' custom requirements. According to Deloitte's 2024 Payments Industry Outlook, organizations that embed continuous message testing throughout development cycles report significantly fewer post-launch errors and higher customer satisfaction. Successful message testing is defined by three major components. First, field-level validation ensures that each data element is transmitted with the correct length, format, and encoding. Second, handling errors and delays involves gracefully managing network disruptions, timeouts, and retries without compromising the transaction flow. Third, adapting to acquirer-specific variations requires meeting the unique formatting and processing requirements of different payment processors to ensure full compatibility and resilience. Traditional live host testing is slow and limited in scope. Host-simulated environments, by contrast, offer a streamlined, more flexible alternative. They allow teams to rapidly test diverse transaction scenarios, simulate approvals, declines, and network faults, and automate test executions for scalability. The WorldPay Global Payments Report 2024 confirms that organizations leveraging shift-left practices, including simulation-based testing, can reduce time to market by up to 30% while lowering operational risks significantly. Real-world results show that investing in robust message testing capabilities delivers significant benefits, including a 40% reduction in deployment incidents, shorter certification cycles, and improved customer experiences with fewer failed transactions. For example, one major U.S. retailer integrated host simulated message testing and avoided over $1 million in potential downtime costs during peak shopping seasons. Success in message testing for POS development depends on following key best practices. Building a comprehensive test plan that covers both standard and edge case scenarios. Choosing reliable simulation tools that support various acquirer protocols, and embedding continuous testing into agile development workflows to ensure consistent quality and faster iteration. Emerging trends such as omnichannel experiences, real-time payments, and AI-driven testing will shape the next generation of POS systems. McKinsey's research highlights a major uptick in real-time payment adoption, while WorldPay and Deloitte foresee greater automation and machine learning in testing environments by 2026. While EMV L3 testing and certification remain foundational requirements, message testing fills other critical gaps to ensure full reliability and adaptability. Using host-simulated environments and embedding testing earlier in development cycles improves product quality, customer trust, and operational efficiency. In today's evolving payment landscape, mastering message testing isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. At Paragon, we specialize in advanced POS validation solutions, including comprehensive message testing and host-simulated environments. Our expertise enables payment providers, retailers, and financial institutions accelerate testing and certification cycles, reduce operational risks, and enhance customer experiences. By partnering with Paragon, you can ensure your POS systems are not only compliant with industry standards, they are also resilient, secure, and future-ready. Thank you for listening to our audio blog.